Welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how I earned more than $20,000 by selling Micro SaaS products. So let's start. First, you need to find a good idea or use popular one. You can check subreddits, check Twitter, what's popular, or get ideas from other people. I generally have like half of my ideas are from myself, but the other half is from other users, the popular SaaS applications. After you find the idea, definitely you need to build. You can use vibe coding tools, but most of the times you need to advance the project. So that means I actually tried twice building my React Native mobile application with Bolt, but it created two separate folders in same project file. That means it created previous folder structure and the newest folder structure. The project was broken actually, but in general you can use Lovable, Replit, or like Bolt New, and then you can put it into Cursor. After that, you can go with Cursor. This is the hardest part actually. You need to get some users. I generally use Facebook, Google, Reddit, and Twitter ads. You can make ROAS at least 2x. Your goal is to optimize the campaign, install pixels, track every touch point, decrease cost, and try more images or videos. I generally use Canva for images. If your product price is $10, I spend $20 for each ad set, so each image, and I generally have 3 ad sets, but you can increase or decrease this. After first batch, check your entire funnel. See what's the problem. Even ask ChatGPT with your data. I use Amplitude for mobile, Google Analytics for websites actually. Uh, for React Native, you can install the Amplitude dependency and use it properly. For the other things, I use Google Analytics, or you can use maybe. I also use Apple Ads. Need to say that for my mobile applications because it's more basic than the other ones. For example, I use Apple Ads for my application Allvent. It's a Reddit cold outreach tool. You can discover users, etc., engage them. After your first try, you need to check your entire funnel. See what's the problem. So, like, do I need to change my onboarding? Do I need to change my images? Do I need to change my target audience, etc.? After you find the issue, you need to double down on the issue actually. So we are trying to solve the problems, trying to keep users engaged and keep the retention high. You can even ask ChatGPT. For example, 50 people clicked my advertisement, 20 of them signed up, one of them used the onboarding, for example. So you lose very high amount of users there. You need to re-optimize your steps. You need to try again. If you find the best optimized points, double down on ad spend. Put best converting ad sets to an ad together. At that point, you can use Facebook's AI machine algorithm. It's your preference, but we generally do like this. So we don't use the AI algorithm at first. At some point, there will be competitors that bids higher prices than you, etc., and your ads will decline. But you can try to keep your current users. After that, you can consider continue or sell the project. So our goal is to create a useful app, not trying to sell. And we have to spend lots of time for the project. There are a couple of platforms to sell. First one is Micros, Acquirebase, Little Exists, some subreddits, Flippa, and Acquire.com. I generally prefer Micros, Little Exists, and Acquirebase. There are a couple of more definitely, but for me Micros is the best. Some commission, etc. So these are the platforms. This is my analytics. I earned more than $8,000 on Micros. We have Acquirebase. We have Little Exists, subreddits, Flippa, and Acquire.com. You can find which is the best for you. After that, generally selling price is 3-5x ARR. So that means if you earned like $200 on project, you can sell it for like 900 or 1500. So, but if you are earning that monthly, that means you can sell it for this price. Your revenue is very important here. And after that, I would recommend providing some bug fixing services or like general transfer services for the buyer is very important because the trust is all on here. And then you can decide if you are moving to another project or something else. If you want an entire course on this, you can consider getting my course. It will include creating to selling Micro SaaS from zero. You can find the link in the description. Thank you so much for your time and see you later.